Day 48, becoming financially free, testing side hustles. This is not working. I have this new funnel and I'm driving traffic to it. And I'm telling people that if they want a 100% free course, the only thing they need to do is click this button, put their name and email address, and I'm going to send to them the free course by email. Now, let me show you how many people have taken action. If I click on the stats, I can see how many people saw my opt-in page and how many people took action. So this page has 9% of opt-in rate. The thing is that those 3 people are from my email list. Because I wanted to do a test and I sent the free training to my email list. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to change that opt-in page because I have other ones in which I have 20, 30, or 40% of opt-in rate. So here's the thing. I have this opt-in page and I'm driving traffic from Google, YouTube, and my social media. And I need to increase this percentage. And I'm going to do that by changing the headline and the information inside of the opt-in page. Because I need to collect as many emails as possible. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Talk to you soon.